So I'm having massive issues right now with SureTrader on everything this morning. Literally, so if I try to buy there, I can't buy. It says no, not enough buying power, not enough buying power. I have plenty of buying power, and now we're having issues. So now SureTrader's having issues this morning, and you can see there. And so I ended up losing some money this morning on this trade here on GCAP because of that. I ended up going short here at the 12:30, hoping for this move back down. I could have covered here. I tried to cover. I couldn't cover because it wouldn't let me cover because it said I had no buying power, so I couldn't actually do anything. So I ended up having to cover up here at the 1265 area with a market order after clicking it a million times. And then try to short it again up here at the $13 area. Couldn't go short because it wouldn't let me once again. And then ended up getting short there at 1265 and making a little bit back there, 1240. So not sure what's going on. SureTrader just now acknowledging that they're having an issue. So it looks like I might be done for the day. And I might just write this one off as a loss because of SureTrader. Can't do anything. Can't buy, can't sell. It's again saying I have no buying power, not enough buying power there. If I try to buy even 100 shares, it'll just say, oh, now I get 100 shares through there. So looking at this move here, I got 100 shares here of VTVT, looking for this move up to that $7 area. SureTrader's got me all messed up now. Earlier, it wouldn't even let me buy 100 shares when this thing broke over 650. From the 560 area up here to 665 now. I was trying to get 1,000 shares there over 650. Not getting filled, obviously, because of SureTrader. So now we're looking for this move up there to the $7 area. Playing this with a stop there at the 625 area. Looks like we might get stopped out right here. Let this bounce for a second, see if we can find some support there, come back up. So getting some support there at the 625 area. Let's see if this one can get going here. I like to move this, get this move up there to the $7 area. So I still can't buy more. I'm trying to buy another 100. No fill. You can see just getting rejected there. You can see my issues with the you can see my issues here with buying power, just rejected, rejected. So SureTrader really getting me good today, ending the year on a high note. Thanks for that. If they're watching this video, thank you for that. So looking for this move above 675 for this to continue up there to $7. Let's see if we get this break over $7. Get a quick little pop over 7. Look for that profit area. Up there to 680 now. Looking for 690 to break for this move to $7. All over the place. Real choppy right now. VTVT having some issues. Wanting to go, but just getting some selling pressure there. Big spike in volume on that candle right there. So hoping for some kind of move. Hoping for more of a powerful move there. Get this move above $7. Get some more volume to fill in here. Just need one more spike like that volume. 181,000 shares traded on that 1 minute candle. Looking for this move here. Look at buyers up there. 670, 677 buyer, 683 buyer. Watching level 2 here. Want to see this move over 690. I think if we break over 690, we can definitely get up there to the $7 area. No problem. The way this thing's moving right now. I would have definitely taken profit on this move over 650 up there to 690 if I'd have had proper sizing there. 1,000 shares. Definitely would have taken profit there on that. But holding this one a little bit longer because I only have 100 shares. Seeing if we can get above that $7 area. Just kind of playing this chart. Seeing if we can get some kind of move like that. You can see we're holding that 9 EMA right now. Keeping this trend going higher. I think we're good if we can hold this and keep this moving up. We just need some more volume to fill in here. So VTVT holding this 9 EMA, that 650 area right now, but the volume just not there. You can see the volume tapering off, We're going to need a big spike in volume here to get back up to that previous high there at the 689 area. This is going to go. So just kind of watching. Like I said, only have 100 shares. SureTrader basically screwing me over here this morning. Would have basically got in there. Would have got in here for this break over 650 for that move up there to the 690. Would have been beautiful. Taking profit there at the 680 area, no problem. So that would have been a quick $300, $400. But SureTrader didn't want me to make any money today, so they're limiting my buying power. Having issues with the buying power this morning, so just gonna sit here and see if we can't get that move up there to the $7 area. See if this can't go crazy. Looking for some more buying to come in here. I think if we get some more buying, might get some more volume. Get above the 675 area. So VTVT trying to go here, get above the 690 area, get that move up there to the $7. Looking like we're gonna get it right here. Trying real hard to get up there, $7 area. We touched $6.99, $7 resistance there. See if we can break over that. Looks like we're going to get it right here. Over 7. Come on, break 7. Having trouble there. You can see someone sitting there trying to sell off, shorten this at $7 at that resistance area. Taking profit there at 682 just to basically break even on that trade. Only 100 shares. You can see we had that issue there. Double top right now, resistance there at the $7 area. SureTrader still having issues. So I'm probably going to be done for the day. Walk away from here. Where I'm at. So I'm down 50 bucks on that GCAP trade from earlier because of the buying power issues. I made 26 bucks there on VTVT. So not really how I wanted to end 2017 by any means. I mean, this would have been a good short. This would have been a good short from that $13 area if I could have shorted there at $13. Look at this, all the way down there at $11.70. Would have been a beautiful short. I can't make any money when my broker doesn't allow me to put trades in and out. So, you know, really frustrating to be in a trade like that earlier. GCAP, being in that trade and then not being able to cover. You know, when it was down here, it got down there at 12-13 area, it started to bounce back. So I was like, oh, I need to cover. So I would have started covering there at the 12-20 area after that 12-30 entry. And, you know, I would have started to cover, took some quick profit, and then I could have shorted again here at the $13 area, but didn't have the buying power. So nothing I can do about that. It's not my fault, I guess. Not my issue, but definitely SureTrader's issue this morning, doing that to me. Just doing me dirty. You know, even trying to buy 1,000 shares there at 601, can't do it. Really frustrating. Really frustrating. Let me see if I can get 500 shares. Can't get 500 shares. So definitely some major issues this morning with SureTrader. I'm done. I'm going to walk away. There's no point in me sitting here trying to trade like this. If I can't buy, I can't sell, I can't get out of a trade, I can't cover. There's this, it's just dangerous. Really dangerous at this point. So I'm going to walk away and just call it a day there. SureTrader ruining my end of the year here. Friday. Why would you do that to me? Why you gotta do it to me? Why, SureTrader? Why did you have to do that to me? Really just a pain this morning. Had some good opportunities. Would have been a good little day. Would have been a good little morning here. You can see I was trying to short there. I ended up getting filled 500 shares there at $12.65. I wanted to get filled there at the $13 area. Could not get filled. Just kept clicking, click. Nothing happening. And finally, for some reason, got filled there at $12.65. Ended up covering there at $12.40. Taking a quick 25 cent drop there. I can't complain about that. But you can see this thing went down there to $11.65. So almost a full dollar drop from that move. But I just wanted to get out there because I knew that the issues with the buying power and what was going on. I definitely didn't want this thing to squeeze back up on me and then get stuck in another squeeze where I couldn't cover like this move. So this entire move here, losing money on this was nothing but SureTrader's issue and not my issue. So it's frustrating. Frustrating to say the least to have an issue like that where, you know, you're in the right trade, or you could have taken profit, or you could have got out. You know, you could have stuck to your rules. I definitely would have cut my loss way sooner than that. There's no way that I would have held this till $12.65. And then same thing with VTVT. You know, if I would have got 1,000 shares there at the 650 area, taking profit into this move up there to the 690s, would have been beautiful. Would have been a nice little morning. Would have been a nice way to end the year, ending here on a high note, but instead ending on a red note. So it is what it is. That's one of the issues. People are going to be like, why do you use your SureTrader still? One of the reasons I use SureTrader is because, you know, I think people relate better to having a small account. And it's not that I don't have the money to have a $25,000, you know, bigger broker. But I do like the idea of only having to have, you know, $5,000, $6,000 cash in SureTrader account for trading. And that way I keep my other cash for other opportunities, for crypto stuff, for investments, for buying a house, all that stuff. I don't need to have my cash sitting in a brokerage account. And it is what it is. So SureTrader really proven the point today that they are not the best option. They're really the only option for people who are trading under $25,000. So it pains me. It pains me to say the least. Really, I do not want to end the video on this note, but I'm going to end it just because it's just there's no point in me trying to force these trades when I can't buy, I can't sell. So I'll talk to you guys later on.